Hey there, Alistair from starting a Shopify store from scratch. In this video what we're doing is we are going to look at finding products to sell. Have you got a product that you really have in mind to sell, or are you still thinking of finding products? If you're still in the research stage, then this is a great way to actually go and find things that you want to sell. What Oberlo is an app that connects you to AliExpress, which is a Chinese marketplace which stocks thousands upon thousands of different products. So what this is an app. You install it in Shopify, it's completely free. Then all you do is you go into Oberlo and you can then go and search for products by category. And what then happens is you don't hold the stock, it gets held by the manufacturer in China. When you make a sale, the sale then from your store gets sent to the supplier. Obviously you've got to collect payment first. Once you receive payment, you send the order and the payment to the supplier through AliExpress. The supplier then packages everything and sends it directly to your customer without them knowing that you are doing drop shipping. It's a great business model because you never have to worry about shipping, packaging, or having anything in your house. It's straightforward, it's free, it's a great thing to add to Shopify to find any kind of products that you want to sell. Let's quickly run through it. As I said, you can go within Oberlo and find products. There is no packaging. You don't need to stock anything, and it's very simple. Click add the app, go into the settings, change the markup that you want. Typically you can find something in AliExpress and actually double the price and still sell. It's that cheap to buy on AliExpress and sell elsewhere. So Oberlo is great because they have been helping millions of people around the world. As you can see there's 85 million products already sold, and all you need to do is focus on marketing. You can add more and more products, build relationship with suppliers in China, and you can add multiple accounts as you start growing. Oberlo is there to help you learn how to use the app, and you can also read case studies and go into Oberlo itself. You can learn directly from Oberlo by attending their webinars, and you can read their complete guide to dropshipping. So it's got all the information you need, simple, straightforward. I highly urge you to start a trial of Shopify, install Oberlo, and see if you can make a first couple of sales. Obviously what you need to do is connect it to your store, upload the products to your store, and then advertise your business, whether it be on Facebook, Instagram, or wherever else. That's it for this video. See you in the next.